Welcome to Compass, the comprehensive online medical patient assessment and specialist support program by Rural Physicians Group. This video will demonstrate the basics on how to use the Compass virtual healthcare device to successfully administer remote provider consultation. So let's get started. First, let's take a close look at the main cart components. Each Compass cart is equipped with the following: a high-resolution camera with motorized lens, a large touchscreen display, a Bluetooth-connected digital stethoscope, a small touchscreen provider communication tablet, a cabinet housing an 8-hour battery, a power cord for easy charging, and 4 lockable rubber wheels. Now, let's learn how to use the Compass cart. To provide us with a quick walkthrough, here's our resident nurse, Angie.
Hello and welcome. My name is Angie and I'm going to be your nurse for this tutorial. We're going to be learning all about how to use Compass. This is our digital health device for virtual specialty consultations. Let's dive on in. All right, so now that you have logged into your clinical communication device,
from your home screen or app list, go to Virtualis. On the bottom right, we press on the plus icon and select Consult. Now we fill out the patient information. Next, we'll fill out the reason for this consult. Patient has severe chest pain. As you can see, Virtualis will grade the acuity and recommend the specialist type. In this case, it's high. I can search for the doctor, Dr. Siddiqui, and I press Submit. Once I send the request, it will take me back to the home screen with my recent consult request at the top, along with its graded acuity. So let's press on that. As you can see, our consult request details are here, as well as the acuity grading of red, which means high acuity. I can also see the details of the patient are available in this dropdown, and we can hide it. The doctor has responded with, "Okay, proceed to consult." So we can now begin to consult by shifting to the other side of the cart.
we can turn this around and focus our attention to this side of the cart and see the names that pop up. Again, we're going to speak to Dr. Siddiqui and we just tap Start Call to initiate the virtual consultation.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Can you hear me and see me clearly?
Yes. How about you? Can you see me clearly?
Yep. Great.
Here.
Everything looks great.
Good.
How about this? Let's make sure the digital stethoscope is working fine as well. Okay.
Perfect.
So I will be starting the virtual examination from my end.
Okay. So I'm going to make sure that this is powered on and ready for testing. So I can see here that it's connected once it turns green, and I'll just test it on myself. And so you can hear it. Good. So that's all set.
Yep, I can hear it. It's working well. Let's go ahead and go into the patient's room.
Perfect. We will move on to see the patient for our virtual consultation.
Thanks, Angie. Now that you know how to operate the Compass cart, you're on your way to conduct remote healthcare consultations.@Thank you for watching our overview of the Compass cart. For any questions or for technical support, please email compassit@ruralphysiciansgroup.com.